This mini project is Alpha Keypad using 8089C51 microcontroller. It is done by Sai Saujanya, Satya Tejasvi, Sindhu Reddy, Venkateshamli and Yamuna. Students of GRIET, BBB and Batch 4. We are guided by Anil Kumar Sir, Assistant Professor of BBB Department, GRIET. This kit consists of microcontroller circuit, LCD, power supply circuit and keypad. The supply is given from 230 volts AC and is converted to 5 volts AC using an adapter. And the 5 volts AC is converted to 5 volts DC using the rectifier circuit, and this supply is given to 40th pin of the microcontroller and LCD. The C program is dumped into microcontroller and the signals are sent to LCD. Let us now see how the C program works. The microcontroller consists of 4 ports, as we can see here. From these we will use only 3 ports.
Now coming to the C program, port 2 is given to data pins of LCD, port 3 is given to keypad and port 1 is given to RS, RW and enable pins. These are the port connections assigned. This is the delay function which provides necessary delay. These are the LCD command and the LCD data functions. This is the numcheck function which reads the number of times the key is pressed. Let us assume that the alphabets are assigned in this way on the keypad. This is the display function which displays the alphabets on screen using a count variable. As we have already said, keypad and LCD are connected to microcontroller through the ports. RS, RW and enable pins are connected to port 1. Initially, the count is set to 0 in the C program and it increases by 1 when the same key is pressed again. For example, when the key 1 is pressed, when its count is 0, A appears and count increases to 1. When it is pressed again, that is 2 times in a row, the next letter B appears and count increases to 2. When the key is pressed again, that is thrice in a row, C appears and count increases 3. The count is reset to 0 when it reaches the value 3. After this, position of the cursor will be shifted. So when the key is pressed 4 times in a row, the first alphabet A reappears. CA appears on the screen.
Let us now type a word GRIT through the keypad and the display will be shown on the LCD. G. Pressing 3 times, the R will be shown. Pressing it 3 times again, I. And then E. And then T. GRIT.